Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 4. Saleh alayhi salam. Name: Saleh alayhi salam. Birth and lineage. Full name: Saleh ibn Ubaid ibn Asif ibn Masih ibn Ubaid ibn Hud, descendant of Prophet Nuh alayhi salam. Tribe: belonged to the tribe of Thamūd, who lived in the Al-Hijr, modern-day Madain Saleh, Saudi Arabia. Family: he had a family and was respected among his people. No names of wife or children are mentioned in Qur'an or authentic hadith. The people of Thamūd: they carved homes into mountains and built great structures. His nation was arrogant, materialistic, and proud of their civilization. Do you build on every elevation assigned? Prophethood and revelation. And to Thamūd we sent their brother Saleh. He called them to worship Allah alone and to leave idolatry, warned them against corruption and pride. His message: worship Allah who created you and gave you life. So seek forgiveness from Him and repent. They challenged Him and demanded a miracle. The miracle: the She-Camel. A she-camel sent by Allah as a test and sign. This is the She-Camel of Allah, a sign for you. It drank from the well on alternate days and produced abundant milk. It emerges from a rock upon Prophet Ṣāliḥ's prayer. Rejection and crime. They hamstrung and killed the she-camel despite warning. So they hamstrung her and became regretful. Their arrogance reached its peak after the miracle. The punishment. Allah sent a mighty blast, an earthquake, and the thunderbolt seized them while they were looking on. Their homes were destroyed and they fell lifeless. Saleh alayhi salam survives. Saleh alayhi salam and the believers were saved by Allah's mercy. So we saved him and those with him by mercy from us. He said, I conveyed to you the message of my Lord. Death. Saleh alayhi salam lived after the destruction of Thamūd. Grave. Some reports mention burial in Al-Hijr, but no authentic confirmation exists. Legacy. Saleh alayhi salam was mentioned in multiple chapters in the Qur'an: Surah Al-Hijr, Hud, Ash-Shams, Fussilat, Ash-Shu'ara. The she-camel became a symbol of divine signs ignored, and a reminder of the fate of the arrogant and disobedient. Key qualities. Saleh alayhi salam was truthful and sincere, firm in dawah despite opposition, and humble and trusting in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Prophet facts.